Okay, hi everybody. I just wanted to make this really quick video tutorial to show you how to download Sims 4 Studio and how to use the batch fix to get rid of all of the trendy tags that are causing Groundhog Day and the error 532 failure to save. So right here we're at um, we're at sims4studio.com. Ignore like all my messy nonsense bookmarks up here. They're not important. But we're at sims4studio.com and we're going to go download Sims 4 Studio. So the section of the forums that you need is right here where it says download Sims 4 Studio open beta version. And you need to decide whether you need the Windows version or the Mac version. I obviously am on a Windows machine, so that's what I'm going to grab right here. I do already have this installed, so mostly a lot of the things are going to be already set up for me, and there are some things I'm not really going to be able to show you, but I'm grabbing the Windows installer and I am downloading that. You're going to get this download anyway. Google Drive can't scan for viruses, but I promise you Sims 4 Studio is safe. You might get this. Windows protected your PC. Just click more info and click run anyway, and it's going to be absolutely fine. You're going to get this setup window, accept the agreement, standard installer stuff, no problem. You can create a desktop shortcut or not. Click through next and click through install. And by default, that doesn't go to the D drive. That's because I already have it set up that it remembers where it's at. But then you can go ahead and finish, and you can choose to launch Sims 4 Studio right away. And when you do, you're going to get this window right here. You don't really have to worry about entering a creator name for this, but you can. And it can pretty much be anything you want. It's not going to like yell at you about somebody else already has that name or whatever. So what you do after you have Sims 4 Studio installed and you're ready to run the batch fix, just go ahead and click on Content Management, go down to Batch Fixes, over here to Cast, and I apologize for my shouty cat if you can hear him, and then scroll all the way to the bottom and remove fashion tags, error 532 high school years. You might need to browse for your My Documents, Electronic Arts, The Sims 4 mods folder, but that's pretty standard. In my case, again, it is on a D drive, but probably it's going to be on your C. You can choose a folder for the backups, which it will automatically create for you in case anything goes wrong. Go ahead and do that. Pretty standard. You just go through that like that. And then once you have done that, go ahead and click run. Because I've already run this, in my case, it tells you how many cast files that it scanned. I have about 6,475, and none of them needed fixed. That's really all there is to it. And once this is done, you should just be able to close out of Sims 4 Studio. You can go ahead and load up your game, and you should not run into any more error 532s or Groundhog Day unless you download new custom content, and that new content does have trendy tags. So it's worth checking periodically as you download. Hope this helps. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out and ask me.